Hello dear kids, good morning. I am your Inkle Miss, your computer teacher. Welcome you all in our today's computer class. As you know, we have started our chapter 6 in our last class. Now today we are going to move further in this chapter with the topic applying bold, italic and underline effect in our document. So let's start. Font style. Word provides font style options such as bold, italic and underline. These three font styles are provided by Word. These font styles are used to emphasize the text and catch the reader's attention. After applying these three effects, our text look like something different than normal text that you can understand easily when we are doing practical. Okay. You can see on the screen, a word screen is given. In that, in Home tab, in Font group, these three options are available below the font type. B for bold, I for italic and U for underline. So these three options we are going to learn today. First is bold. Control plus B. This is the shortcut key of the bold. We can use Control plus B keys from the keyboard to apply the bold effect on our text. It makes the selected word darker than the rest of the text. Bold effect make our text darker than the normal text. You can see on the screen here word screen is given, and in that the word is given is compute point, and after applying bold effect you can see our text is being seen darker than the normal text like this. Okay. Next is italic. Control plus I is the shortcut key for italic option. This effect emphasizes the text by slanting it to the right side. Okay. Just now you can see these texts are in italic only. Okay. After applying italic effect, our text look like this, a little bit slanting from the right side. Okay. Now on the screen you can see here the word is given compute point, and after it applying italic effect on this word, it will look like just a little bit slanting from the right side. Okay. So this is the italic effect. Now next is underline effect. Control plus U is the shortcut key of this option. This option emphasizes the text by placing a underline under the text or sentence. You can see on the screen here this word is already underlined and this sentence is already underlined because I applied the underline effect on this text. That's why. Okay. Now underline, after applying underline effect, you can see our word or sentence look like this on the screen. Here our word is compute output, and after applying underline effect it will look like this. It get underlined below it. So let's see practically how can we apply bold, italic and underline effect to our text in Word 2010. So students, this is my computer screen and today we are going to learn bold, italic, underline effects in Word 2010. Okay, so let's first start our Word 2010. So what we have to do to start Word? Yes, first we have to click on Start button. So click on Start button, then choose All Programs, then select Microsoft Office and find Microsoft Word 2010 and click on this. This is our Word 2010 main screen. The name is Document 1 by default. Okay. So today we are going to learn bold, italic and underline effect. This bold, Control plus B, next italic, Control plus I, and the last is underline, Control plus U. This is the shortcut key for that. Okay. So to apply this effect, first we have to type something in our document. Okay. So it is our cursor. Let's start typing from here. Let's type bold, comma, italic, comma, underline. Type from the keyboard. Okay, the fonts are too small, so let's change the size. First select this and click on the size button, and here select 28, not 20, 36. Okay, this is our 36 size font. Now you can clearly see the font. Okay, now select again and apply bold. Click on the bold button. Yes, you can see our text become darker than the normal text. Okay, now let's type again this line. Press enter key and type again bold, comma, italic, comma, underline. Oh, here red wavy line is given below the word underline because our underline spelling is wrong. So just go click beside the E and type R here to complete the spelling. Type R. Okay, now red line gone. Okay, so I type 2 times because to show you the change. Okay, so let's select second line and apply bold effect. Click on bold button on it. Okay, you can see now the change. Above line is thin and below line is thick. Okay, so this is bold effect. It make our text darker than the normal text. Okay, now again select it and click on italic button. Ctrl plus I you can also press from the keyboard. So after applying italic effect, you can see our text become a little bit slanting from the right side. Okay, so now again select the text. Okay, and click on underline option. Now you can see it will place underline below the sentence. Bold, italic and underline effect. You can see the change on the screen. This is the normal text and this is the text after applying the bold, italic, underline. Now select the bold and click on bold option. Yes, it will become darker. Now select the italic word only and click on italic option. It will make the text slanting. And the last select the underline word and click on the underline option in the font group. It will make underline below the text. So you can see the change: bold, italic and underline. Okay, so this way we can apply bold, italic and underline effect in our text. We can also apply it on single word, single letter, single sentence or paragraph or to the whole document, whatever we want. Okay, so children, this much study for today. And if you have a computer, then please try bold, italic, underline effect in Word 2010. You will enjoy it. Okay, in next class we will go further in this chapter. Till then, stay safe, learn well. Goodbye. Thank you.